In today's video, we'll paint a bright, peaceful country house surrounded by soft, sunlit trees and gentle shadows. Start by choosing a light source. Imagine warm sunlight from the left. Mix ultramarine blue and burnt sienna for soft shadows, then brush them along the walls and roofline. Instantly, your house gains depth, warmth, and personality. Now let's bring the landscape to life. Mix sap green with burnt sienna to create soft, earthy greens that feel natural and warm. Paint silhouettes for the treetops. It's easy, playful, and effective every time. Add deeper tones at the base of the trees for gentle shadows. Think of it as adding just the right amount of contrast to make everything stand out. Keep paths and open spaces light and airy, as they naturally guide the viewer's eye into the scene. Remember, dark tones come forward while light tones recede. That's the quiet magic of watercolor. Alright, let's get dreamy and set the mood. Gently wet the sky with clean water, creating a soft surface for color to flow. Drop in ultramarine blue and watch it dance across the page, blending and blooming like clouds drifting by. If you'd like to warm things up, add a soft pink or light ochre for that gentle sunset glow, making the sky simple and unique. Remember, the sky isn't the limit, it's your playground for creativity and atmosphere. Now comes the delightful chaos. Load your large brushstroke in the foreground with a watery dark color or lightly splatter for texture or artistic flair. When you're done, you have a charming little country house that is simple, breezy, and full of depth.